Ever found yourself navigating the exhilarating world of crypto, perhaps scoring some sweet gains on Binance, only to wonder how to move those digital assets to a more specialized wallet like Beam? You're not alone. The journey from a major exchange to a privacy-focused platform can sometimes feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs, but trust me, it's far simpler than it seems. In the fast-paced realm of cryptocurrency, security and control are paramount. While exchanges like Binance offer incredible liquidity and a vast array of trading pairs, holding your assets on a centralized platform inherently comes with certain risks. That's where dedicated wallets, especially those prioritizing privacy like Beam, come into play. They offer you true ownership of your funds, removing the need to trust a third party with your hard-earned crypto. Imagine having your own personal digital vault, impervious to exchange freezes, hacks, or unexpected regulations. That's the power of a self-custodial wallet. And for those who value privacy, Beam's Mimblewimble protocol offers an extra layer of confidentiality, making your transactions less traceable. So, you've decided to take the leap and move your funds from the bustling marketplace of Binance to the secure haven of your Beam wallet. This process, while straightforward, requires attention to detail. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to open your Beam wallet. Whether it's on your desktop or mobile device, ensure it's fully synchronized and updated to the latest version. Within your Beam wallet, locate your receiving address. This is crucial. It's like your bank account number for crypto, telling Binance exactly where to send your funds. Make sure to copy this address accurately, double-checking every character. A single wrong character could lead to your funds being lost forever on the blockchain, and nobody wants that to happen. Next, head over to your Binance account. Log in and navigate to your Spot Wallet or Funds section. Here, you'll find a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold. Identify the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. While Binance itself is tradable on Binance, you might be looking to transfer other cryptocurrencies and then swap them for Beam within the Beam ecosystem. For the purpose of this guide, let's assume you're withdrawing Beam or a compatible asset that can be seamlessly bridged or swapped to Beam later. Once you've selected the asset, click on the Withdraw option. This will open a new window or pop-up asking for withdrawal details. This is where you'll paste the Beam wallet address you copied earlier. Pay very close attention to the network or blockchain selection. This is perhaps the most critical step. If you select the wrong network, your funds will be lost. For Beam, you'll need to ensure you're using the correct network that supports Beam transfers. This might be the Beam network itself, or if you're transferring a different asset that can be bridged to Beam, you'll select the corresponding network, e.g., BSC, Ethereum, etc., and then use a bridge within the Beam ecosystem later. Always cross-reference the supported networks on both Binance and your Beam wallet. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Binance will usually display the withdrawal fees associated with the transaction. Review these fees carefully. Once you've confirmed all the details, the address, the amount, and especially the network, proceed with the withdrawal. Binance will then prompt you for security verifications, such as a 2FA code or email confirmation. Complete these steps to authorize the transaction. After confirming, the transaction will be processed by Binance. You can usually monitor its status in your withdrawal history on Binance. It might take a few minutes, or even longer depending on network congestion, for the funds to arrive in your Beam wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your Beam wallet will update, and you'll see your newly arrived funds. Remember, always start with a small test transaction if you're unsure, especially for larger amounts. This helps to mitigate risk and build confidence in the process. Funding your Beam wallet from Binance opens up a world of privacy-enhanced transactions and greater control over your digital wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.